Welcome back to the online class. How are you all? All is well? All is well now? I'm so happy to see you all here in the online class after the vacations. And one thing, a very happy monsoon to everyone.
Pitter-patter raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella to keep me dry. When the rain is over and the sun begins to glow, little flowers start to bud and grow and grow and grow.
So children, enjoy this happy season. Okay? So children, hope you all have learned all the letters and other things whatever I have taught you before the vacations. Okay? So coming back to the class, can you see this box? Do you see this box? Yes. I have kept some objects related to the letters A to Z. I have kept some objects related to the letters A to Z inside this box. Okay. So whatever the object, I'll pick it from this box. Okay. We will circle the starting letter of that object. We will circle the starting letter of that object here on the board. Okay. So let's start. So now I'm going to pick the first object. Okay. So I'm going to close my eyes and then I'm going to pick that object from this side. Okay. So now what is this? What is this? This is a hat. This is a hat. This is a hat. And hat starts with the letter. And hat starts with the letter H. Hat starts with the letter H. And where is H? This is A. This is B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Hat starts with the letter H. So we will circle the letter H here. Okay. So now next. Okay. I'm going to keep this here. Okay. Now next. So should I close my eyes now? Okay. Now I'm closing my eyes and I'm going to pick the another object. That is. What is this? What is this? Tell me. What is this? This is mask. This is mask. And nowadays this is very compulsory. Okay. This is very compulsory to wear this mask whenever you go out of your house or out of your home. You need to wear this mask. Okay. For your safety. Okay. So this is mask. And mask starts with the letter M. Mask starts with the letter M. And where is M? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L and M. This is letter M. So here we will circle the letter M. Okay. So now next letter, next object. Next object, okay. So should I close my eyes again? No, I'm not going to close my eyes again, okay. So now next object is, what is this? What is this? This is bag. This is bag. And bag starts with the letter B. Bag starts with the letter B. And where's B? This is letter A. And this is letter B. So here we will circle the letter B. Okay. This is bag. And we will circle the letter B because bag starts with the letter B. And we have done. Okay. So now I'll keep this here. So now next. Okay. So now next object is, where it is, let me search. I'll find something interesting. What is this? What is this? This is drum. This is drum. Okay. See, this is. We can beat it here on it. So now what is this? This is drum. And drum starts with the letter D. Drum starts with the letter D. And where is D? A, B, C and D. This is letter D. So we will circle the letter D here on the board. Okay. This is D and D is for drum. D is for drum. Okay. Now next letter. Next object. I'm not getting anything. I got something. What is this? What is this? This is spoon. This is spoon. This is spoon. Okay. Spoon starts with the letter S. Spoon starts with the letter S. So let's circle the letter S. Okay. Where is letter S? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, and S. This is letter S. So we will circle the letter S. Okay. So we will circle the letter S. And S is for spoon. S is for spoon. Okay. So now next object. Okay. So now let me take it out. What is there? Okay. Now next thing is, what is this? What is this? This is a glass. This is a glass. Okay. And glass starts with the letter G. Glass starts with the letter G. So let's circle the letter G here on the board. Okay. So again we will start from the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Oh, G is here. I forgot. Again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G is for glass. G is for glass. So we will circle the letter G. We will circle the letter G. Okay. So now next object. Okay. Next object. What is this? See, we can open it and we used to keep things here. We can keep biscuits and we can keep other things also. Okay. So what is this? This is, what is this? This is jar. This is jar. And jar starts with the letter, jar starts with the letter J. Jar starts with the letter J. So here we will circle the letter J. Okay. So let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. J is for jar. J is for jar. So here we will circle the letter J. Okay. So now next. Okay. Next thing is, what is this? What is this? This is knife. This is knife. Your mother used to cut vegetables, fruits, okay, with this knife. Okay. So this is knife. and knife starts with the letter K. Knife starts with the letter K. So here we will circle the letter K because knife starts with the letter K. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Knife starts with the letter K. So we will circle the K here. Okay. So now we will keep this here. Okay. So now next and the last object. Okay. So now next. What is this? This is tiger. This is tiger. And tiger starts with the letter T. Tiger starts with the letter T. Okay. So here we will circle the letter T. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and T. This is letter T. T is for tiger. So we will circle the tiger here. Okay. Done. Okay. So now we will do ABC rhyme once. Okay. So let me keep this aside. Okay. Start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Oh dear me. Where should I learn my ABC? Okay. So now we will start the revision of letters A to Z from the book. Okay. You are having that book now? Wait. You are having this book? Letter word book? Open page number, take out your book and open page number 10. Okay? Open page number 10. We will start with the letter A. Okay? So, this is capital A and this is small a. This is capital A and this is small a. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for axe. A is for aeroplane. Okay. So now next. This is capital B and this is small b. B is for bat. B is for bus. B is for ball. B is for bell. Okay. So now next letter. This is capital C and this is small c. C is for cat. C is for cup. C is for car and C is for cow. Now next letter. This is capital D and this is small d. Okay. D is for doll. D is for dog. D is for duck and the dog says quack quack. And D is for drum. Right now I have shown you na drum. D is for drum. Now next open page number 22. Okay. So this is capital E and this is small e. E is for egg. E is for ear. E is for elephant. E is for eagle. Now next. This is capital F and this is small f. F is for fan. This is capital G and this is small g. G is for girl. G is for gate. G is for goat. And G is for glass. G is for glass. Now this is capital H and this is small h. H is for hat. H is for hen. H is for house. And H is for horse. Now next open page number 42. 4 to 42. This is capital I and this is small I. Okay. I is for ink. I is for ink. And I is for ice. I is for ice. I is for iron. And I is for igloo. This is capital J and this is small j. J is for jug. J is for jam. J is for jar. And J is for G. Now this is capital K and this is small k. K is for key. K is for kite. K is for king and K is for kettle. Now this is letter L, capital L and small l. L is for leg. L is for lion. L is for lamb and L is for long. Okay. Now next. Open page number 56, 56. This is capital M and this is small m. Okay. M is for mug. M is for mug. And M is for mat. M is for mat. Now M is for mask. M is for mask. Now M is for mango. M is for mango. Okay. Now this is capital N and this is small n. N is for neck. N is for nib. N is for nose. And N is for nest. Now this is capital O and this is small o. O is for ox. O is for owl. O is for onion. And O is for orange. Now this is capital P and this is small p. Okay. P is for pen. P is for pot. P is for pan. And P is for pear. Now open page number 76. Okay, 76. Okay. This is capital Q and this is small q. Q is for queen. Q is for quilt. Q is for quilt. And Q is for Q. Q means line. Now this is capital R and this is small r. R is for rat. R is for ring. R is for rabbit. And R is for ribbon. Now this is capital S and this is small s. S is for sun, S is for star, S is for soap and S is for spoon. Okay? Now this is capital T and this is small t. T is for top. Top means lattu. T is for top. T is for tub. T is for tree and T is for table. Now next, this is capital U and this is small u. U is for yarn. U is for yarn. U is for uniform. U is for utensils and U is for umbrella. Okay? Now next, open page number 92. 92. Okay? This is capital V and this is small v. V is for van. V is for vest. V is for vase and V is for violin. Now next, this is capital W and this is small w. W is for well. W is for wool. W is for wood and W is for what? Now turn the page. This is capital X and this is small x. X is for X-ray. X is for Xmas tree. X is for xylophone. Okay, now next. Capital Y and a small y. Okay, Y is for yak. Y is for yarn. Y is for yo-yo. And Y is for yacht. Y is for yacht. Now last, this is Z, capital Z and this is small z. Z is for zoo. Z is for zip. Z is for zero. And Z is for zebra. Okay? So now children, we will start our copy work from today onwards. Okay? From today, we will start our copy work. Okay? So all of you all are having this copy with you. Okay? This is your English copy. Okay? You all are having this copy with you. So take out your copy. Okay? Collect your stationery, set it down properly and sharpen your pencil. Okay? Sharpen your pencil. Okay? Then only you can write very beautifully. Okay? So take out your pencils. Okay? So all of you, see, you all are having 4 lines here in your English copy. Okay? See, 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What is the color of that line? First one is red, second one is blue, third one is blue and fourth one is red. Okay, red, blue, blue, red. Okay, line number 1, line number 2, line number 3 and line number 4. Okay, so from today we will start making the stroke. The first stroke is standing line. Okay, so we will start with the stroke that is standing line. Okay. This is standing line. Okay. So make a standing line on the 4 lines. Okay. So this is your line number 1. This is your line number 2. This is your line number 3. And this is your line number 4. Okay. So firstly, put a dot on the first line. Okay. Put a dot in the first line. Come down. Then put another dot in second line. And then come down. Okay. We will use only these 3 lines. Okay. Abhi to we will use only these 3 lines. Okay. So again we will practice. Put a dot. Come down. Then put another dot. And then come down. Again we will practice. Put a dot over here. Come down. Put another dot. Then come down. This is a standing line. This is standing line. Again we will draw. Put a dot over here. Come down. Put another dot and then come down. This is standing line. Okay. So let's practice these lines in copy. Okay.
See, a boy is standing below the mango. A boy is standing below the mango and he wants to eat this mango. How he will eat? Firstly, we will join these lines. When we will join these lines, it will help him to eat the mango. Oh wow! We have joined the lines. Now he can eat this mango very happily. So let's practice the standing line on the English copy. Okay. Now all of you tell me how many lines are there in your English copy. Line number 1, line number 2, line number 3 and line number 4. Okay, so let's start making a standing line. Put a dot over here. Come down. Make another dot. And then come down. This is a standing line. Now practice this for 5 more times. Put a dot. Come down. Put another dot. Come down. Now here. Put a dot, come down, put a dot, come down. Now again we will do. Here we have completed a standing line. See children, this is how you will do in your English copy. Okay. Firstly, you all have to put the date over here. Okay. What date is today? Today is 13th. So you will write here 1, 3, 13 / 7 / 2 0 2 0. And this is your class work. This is your classwork. So you will write here CW. Okay. This is your classwork. Okay. So see, this is standing line. This is standing lines. And how many lines we have used? We have used line number 1, line number 2 and line number 3. Okay. So we will start making a standing line. Okay. So firstly, put a dot over here, come down, put another dot and come down. This is your standing line. Again, put a dot over here, come down, another dot and then come down. This is standing line. Again we will do the same. Dot, come down, dot, come down. Okay. We will complete this page. Okay. Here we have completed our classwork. Okay. So now here this is your homework. We will write here HC. We will write HW. Okay. Again you will do the same standing line here also. Okay.
So children, today's class is over. Okay. So complete your homework. Okay. Bye bye.